guys, we opened this baby box.
Yes.
And let's go open it.
Given by Tita April. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lord, sa aking mga
Yeah.
friendship, for their generosity. Thank you so much, Lord, for all of this. Oh! Ah!
What is it?
Ano ba yan?
Bakit?
Ang mahal nito, April.
Can
What's that?
Yan na ba?
Wala.
Ay, pahayag. Grabe. April.
Baka bakla.
Hindi, uy. Hala ka dyan. Hala.
Read it.
Naku po. April, thank you so much, guys. God bless you.
250 pounds.
that's not for baby.
3 to 24 months. Thank you so much, April. Ang mahal man kayo ni Day. Anong ka naman imong gili? Ano? Salamat ka ayo.
Let's open it.
Wala na. April, thank you so much.
Good.
Yeah, super brand kaya. Super mahal na brand ni kaayo oy, Ma'am Kuzi. Ma'am Kuzi bag carrier. So,
Why are you shocked?
because now this is so this is so expensive. Yeah. See, with all the everything. Wow, may pa manual. So, ito yung laman niya, guys. Manual daw. Then, ito na yung carrier. Yellow pa. Favorite color ko pa. Yellow.
Mommy.
Thank you so much. La, thank you so much, April. Naku, Jun. Thank you so much, Dai. Thank you so much. God bless you na. God bless you. God bless you in return. Thank you. Ayan. Yan ang ating carrier. Thank you, Dai. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. God bless you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'm so blessed. Baby number 2 is so blessed. Thank you so much for this. Ayan yung itsura niya. Yellow pa. Ayan. Ma'am Kuzi na brand. Mahal to, guys. Ayan. So, ayan, guys. Yun lang for today's video. Thank you so much sa iyong panonood. God bless.